It's Brian Redzikowski from Kettner Exchange. So for this dish in the box this week, this is going to be a Korean style dish. Roasted pork shoulder and all the accoutrements with it. So as we go through, I just wanted to show you guys the different possibilities, variations that you can do with this. So what we have here is the pork shoulder that we salted for 2 days. Then we brined it and then roasted it off like that in a little pouch like that. So when you guys get it, it's 100% fully cooked. All you have to do is wrap it in aluminum foil and then into a 325-degree oven for about 30 minutes until it's warm on the inside. That's what you have right there. So all that crispy skin on the outside and all, that's just from the curing and drying out really nice. So for this one, like I said, it's pretty fun to do, especially if you have some people at the house. It's very easy as well. The cucumbers, all I do is I slice these up, a little bit of salt for 10 minutes. That's about it. Pulls out some of that moisture from the cucumber. The Korean slaw, just plate it how would you like. This is the gochujang mayo. And then this is Ssam, that's like the vinaigrette on it. So play around with it, see which one that you like. Again, there's no wrong way to do it. So all I do here is I just present this guy onto a board or a plate, whatever you have. Inside the box, you're gonna have some lettuce leaves. So you can always put those right on the side if you want, make a little lettuce wrap out of that. These ones are pretty fun. These are actually called perilla leaves. These are sesame leaves. They have a little bit of like very minty kind of basil-y taste to them as well. Completely edible. Make a little sandwich out of that thing, roll it up. So I like to put those in there as well. Then, not the traditional part on this, but since we are in San Diego, little flour tortillas. All we do is quickly just grill them off really quick, or you can just do them in a pan. And I just put them in a little bit of the wrap for about a minute to kind of have it steam and cook through. So you can present it on there like that. Then, little flour tortilla, the exact same way. Grill it. I like to put it in a bag, kind of have that steam. Keep them nice. You don't want a crispy one. Present that right on there as well, so that the guests, I mean, you can put this in the middle of the table. The guests can have their option of what they want to do. There's no rhyme or reason, you know, into that as well. Then, just to finish, you just put the knife like that. Everyone has a share plate. And again, just cut it off. It'll completely fall apart. It's very, very tender. Put a little bit in the leaf, if you will. I prefer the sesame leaves, a little bit of the mayonnaise, the Ssam on top of that, the coleslaw, and then the cucumbers that are nice and refreshing to finish it off. So I hope you guys enjoy.